This is how you grow a continuous supply of baby spinach in a shallow window box using 2 planting steps. And the #1 clipping mistake that permanently stunts new leaf growth is at the end. First, fill your window box with at least 6 inches of good potting mix so the roots have room to spread and stay healthy. Sow the seeds about 1 inch apart, with rows about 3 inches apart, so the plants get enough air and do not crowd each other. Second, cover the seeds with a light layer of moist soil, about 1/4 of an inch deep. Spinach prefers cool weather and grows best when the days stay below 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy, and you should see your first baby leaves ready to pick in about 35 days. Now here is the mistake that ruins the whole idea of a steady harvest. Many gardeners clip the center of the plant, thinking they are taking the best leaves first. But that small center is the growing point, the part that keeps making fresh new leaves. If you cut that away, the plant slows down or stops producing well. Instead, always harvest the older outer leaves first. Snip the larger leaves near the base where they meet the stem and leave the tiny center leaves alone. That one habit is what keeps your spinach coming back for several more cuttings instead of giving you just one short harvest. Done this way, even a small window box can become a steady little source of greens for your kitchen. You can often gather a fresh picking every 10 to 14 days from one planting, depending on the weather and how gently you harvest. It is a simple, thrifty way to keep salad greens close at hand without waste. If careful harvesting keeps spinach producing longer, this channel covers practical container gardening you can trust every week.